Options Guide. Let's see how to add or remove tax. First, log in as a user. Then click Enter POS. Now add an item. Now you can see I've added an item with tax. Now, to remove tax, click on Options. Then click on Tax. Now you can see we removed the tax. To add the tax again, follow the same procedure. Now let's see how to add discount to an order. Now in the order taking screen, add an item. Now, click on Option. In the option, select Discount. Now here enter the discount amount, and click on Enter. Now here you can see the discount. This is how you add a discount to an order. Finally, let's see how to charge for additionally added item in an order. Now in order taking screen, click on Option. Then select Extra Charge. Now enter the additional amount. Then click Enter. Now you can see the additional price. This is how you charge for additionally added item in an order. Thank you for watching the video.